This is a review for my water garden Zen fountain. And as you can see, it just adds so much beauty to my space. Such a beautiful day here on the mountain. And my fountain is so nice and quiet. I've gotten a few fountains and I usually end up needing to turn them off because they're too noisy. Either the engine, the motor is too noisy, or the water itself is too noisy. But I can keep this on all day long and it's very meditative and relaxing. I love the way the ball spins, as you can see. And I also love that at night there's a little sort of bluish green LED light that lights it up, and it just has such a peaceful and lovely feeling to it. Take a listen to just how quiet it is. You hardly hear the water at all, but what you do hear just feels so soothing and relaxing. I also just want to share this with you because it's so cool. Check out how you can pick up this little ball. It's just so beautiful. It's like a little bubble. And then you put it right back and it starts spinning once again.